With a degree in bioengineering, I worked for an orthopedic implant company briefly. That was before I realized I wanted to continue my education to become a surgeon, in a role where I could apply engineering principles to have a direct positive impact on people. Hi, I'm Dr. John Yawman, fellowship trained in orthopedic trauma surgery. When someone faces an unexpected injury involving a limb, joint, or pelvis, I'll be there to help them through their trauma. My grandfather practiced many years as a surgeon at Orlando Regional Medical Center. My mom worked for over 40 years as a nurse here at Orlando Health. I have 2 sisters who are advanced practice providers in the area as well. Having grown up in Central Florida, I feel strongly about my ties to the area and serving the community. Whether we meet in the ER or my clinic, I believe in treating every patient as a whole, with clear communication, honesty, shared decision-making, and a high level of care. The care I provide goes beyond fixing the injury with advanced surgical training. I'll do my best to clearly define the surgical path and help you progress over time with a well-defined recovery plan. My goal is to be here for you and your family to deliver the best possible outcome.